This gruesome act was committed by some miscreants near Jananasi. As all of you know, that the dead body of the martyred Dysp was identified in the early hours of the morning only, and after the registration of a formal case, investigation was set into motion. I would like to mention here that unlike other cases, in this particular case there was widespread condemnation by the cross-section of society, and one encouraging thing while investigation of this particular case was going on is that the people voluntarily came forward and deposed before the police and led us to the right conclusions and right line of investigations. It was due to cooperation of general public that we were able to investigate the thing, led us to the right conclusions and right line of investigations. It was due to cooperation of general public that we were able to investigate the thing expeditiously and effectively. Initially, after getting the clues, we arrested 3 main accused persons who were involved in this gruesome act, and after talking to them, after their custodial questioning, they led us to other accused persons who were involved, and of course they led us to the recovery of pieces of evidence such as the iron rod which was used to hit the Dysp on his head, the pistol of Dysp which was issued to him. A damaged pistol was also recovered on the identification and disclosure of the accused persons. Similarly, the identity card of the Dysp and the cell phone of the Dysp, which was taken away by the miscreants after murdering him, was also recovered. You all know that Dysp had fired in self-defense when he was heckled and ultimately lynched by the miscreants. He had fired, injuring 3 miscreants below the waistline. So they all were arrested because they were the persons who initially started heckling the Dysp. The investigation so far, after investigating all the aspects, talking to all the accused persons involved, and after gathering the evidence on record and the statements, so far we have been able to arrest 20 accused persons in this particular case. The investigation of the case, I should say, is going on in an absolutely right manner, expeditiously and effectively. Some more arrests are expected and some more evidence is to be collected, which will be collected and brought on record in due course of time, and we are hopeful to complete the investigation within the stipulated time and ultimately produce the challan of the case for judicial determination.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468-501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.